Unraveling Slang, the story behind the bee's knees. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as quirky as it is charming, the bee's knees. Often heard in English conversations, this expression has a fun history and an even more interesting meaning. So, get ready to add a fascinating phrase to your English vocabulary. Let's buzz straight into it. The bee's knees refers to something that is of excellent quality or highly admirable. It's akin to saying, the best of the best, or top-notch. The phrase is used to express that someone or something is exceptionally good. For example, if someone says, "This apple pie is the bee's knees," they mean to say that it's an exceptionally good apple pie. Now, you might wonder how bees and their knees could possibly come to mean something so splendid. The origin of the phrase is a bit of a mystery, but it's believed to have become popular in the United States during the 1920s. It was a time known as the Roaring Twenties, an era renowned for its unique slang. The bee's knees was just one of many animal-related expressions, like the cat's pajamas and the dog's tuxedo, which also meant something was superb or excellent. Using the bee's knees in conversation is simple and adds a touch of fun to your language. Here are a few examples. I just bought a new camera, and it's the bee's knees. You have to see this movie. The special effects are the bee's knees. I think you'll love this book. The writing is really the bee's knees. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so it's best used in informal settings among friends or in light-hearted conversation. As with any slang, it's important to know when not to use it. Avoid using the bee's knees in formal or professional communication, such as in business emails, formal letters, job interviews, or serious discussions. It's a playful phrase and might not be understood or appreciated in serious contexts. And there you have it, language enthusiasts. You're now ready to sprinkle the bee's knees into your conversations, where appropriate, to add some 1920s flair to your English. We hope you found this exploration as delightful as a bee finding the perfect flower. Keep buzzing with curiosity, and until next time, happy learning!